Okay, guys, let's dive into the NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender and see how we can configure the Wi-Fi extender. Before I do that, let me grab my ncpa.cpl. This is the shortcut. This is the shortcut. I want to plug. I reset factory default the Wi-Fi extender, the NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender. So right now, what I'm going to do is I just plug the Ethernet cable to the Wi-Fi extender, and another portion is connecting to my laptop. Let's see what's gonna happen. I haven't talked anything. Is it providing IP or not? Is it okay or not, or so on? But let's see. And I have to wait again. There you go, guys. Just send me a router. Automatically come to this section. I haven't done anything, guys. If you remember, it will automatically shoot out this window and see what's gonna happen. It is NETGEAR. Um, I can say AC 1200 Wi-Fi range extender. And where is Elyas in here? This is called what? Elyas Tech. I want to configure this one as an extended version of my wireless my wireless modem. Guys, if you remember, we configured the wireless modem. That was wireless tech, right? We configured another extender, which was wireless tech slash ext extender. And I need your attention in here. In here, it says that it's select 2.4 Wi-Fi network, and meanwhile, and if you want connect to 5 gigahertz only, escape this portion. So let's uncheck this one. That's it. So let's skip this portion. I just want to skip. Right now in here, what I see is that there are some 5G. It's not the 5G, the fifth generation antenna of the telecommunication. This is not the case, guys. We discussed about this portion before, but in here I have one of the let's say this is one of my test wireless modem, and I want to connect to this one. This is the 5G. If you look at here, I mentioned Linux 5G, and it is secure as well. If I type, I think you guys can see the password. Let me type the password here. So right now, what I'm going to do is I want to click connect. I just type the password and click connect. Let's see what's gonna happen in here. And yes, so in here it says like, hey, if you want to use, for example, the 5 gigahertz this network, the reason which I configure 5 gigahertz that because with the previous Wi-Fi extender we were able to connect the 2.4, and with the help of this lecture, if you pick, for example, 2.4 gigahertz, so we were not supposed to skip. So the reason which I skip is like, no, I didn't want to configure 2.4. I want to configure 5 gigahertz. So this is the router, wireless router that we are using. This is the dual band router. So this 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So I will say if I can change it, I can change it as well. But so far, let's say continue. Applying your setting. This may take up to a minute. All right, guys. So far, everything is beautiful in here. All right, guys. In here, it seems that installation and configuration is completed successfully. So you have connect your device, once you have connect your device, mark the checkbox and click continue. Of course, that is connected. Let's continue. Congratulations, guys. This is how you can, or this is how we can configure Wi-Fi extender using like 5 gigahertz